Chapter 8 Introduction to QBASIC. This chapter covers known BASIC and its benefits, list BASIC, know steps to write a program in QBASIC, save a program, run program, list main components of QBASIC program, list QBASIC statements used in a program, list character set of BASIC, list consonants and variable, list hierarchy of operations, list the operators. Computer is a versatile machine capable of doing various tasks, from extremely simple mathematical operations to the most complex mathematical calculation, and from common designs to multimedia animations. Do you think a computer does these things on its own? No, a computer performs these functions only by following a series of predefined commands and instructions. These set of instructions is known as a program. Example, when you plan to visit your relative's home, you have to first program your mind to choose the route which is to be taken. If you miss the route in between, you cannot reach your home. In the same way, a computer cannot perform these tasks for which it has not been programmed. It only performs the functions according to the specified instructions in the program. People who create these programs are called coders or programmers. The language used by the programmers to write computer programs is known as programming language. Fortran, BASIC, COBOL, Pascal, C, C++, and Java are some of the examples of programming languages. BASIC and its benefits. BASIC is a programming language used for freshers. It is very simple and easy to learn. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It was developed by Professor John G. Kemeney and Thomas E. Kurtz in Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, USA in May 1964. The popular BASIC editions are GWBASIC, BASICA, and QBASIC. QBASIC. It is an integrated development environment IDE developed by Microsoft to type, edit, debug, and execute BASIC programs. Steps to write a program in QBASIC. Let us write a very easy QBASIC program. Step 1. Double-click on the QBASIC icon to start QBASIC. Step 2. The QBASIC window will appear up with a welcome dialog box. Step 3. Press the Escape key to hide the welcome dialog box. Step 4. The first window of QBASIC comes up. Step 5. Type the program as shown in the below picture. In QBASIC, the interpreter executes the program line by line. In case an error is made, an error message is displayed. The execution stops. Facts to learn. Debugging is the process of finding and removing errors in computer programs. Bugs signifies errors. In program mode, commands are not executed immediately and are stored in the computer's memory. In immediate mode, commands are executed instantly and are not stored in computer memory. F6 key is used to switch from one mode to another. Save a program. Click on the File menu and select Save As option. Type a meaningful name for your program in the File Name text box and press the Enter key. Your file will be saved with the name typed by you and extension .bas will be added automatically to it. The file name should never exceed more than 8 characters. Run a program. There are several ways to run a program in QBASIC. Step 1. By pressing F5 key. Step 2. By selecting Run menu and clicking on Start option. Step 3. By typing Run in the immediate mode and pressing the Enter key. Main components of QBASIC program. Let us understand and learn the main components of the given QBASIC program. Comments. Any text written after rem is treated as a comment and is ignored by computer. You can type anything and can write as many comments as you wish. Program body. It consists of the programming statements which cause the action to be taken. QBASIC statements used in a program. Print statement. It is used to print any message or result. Any text written in double quotes is printed as such. Anything typed without quotes is treated as a program component and its value is printed. Syntax. Line number, print message in double quotes. Line number, print variable name in angular brackets. Line number are optional. Example 20 print Welcome to the Society of Basic Programming in double quotes. It will print the message Welcome to the Society of Basic Programming. Print A. It will print the value stored in the variable A. Keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F key to select the file menu. Press N key to select the new program option. End statement. It is used to signify the end of a program. Any statement written after end is not executed. Character set of BASIC. A character set is a set of symbols that are used in a programming language. BASIC uses the following symbols as its character set. 1. Alphabets. Capital A, B, C, D, E onwards till Z. Small a, b, c, d, e onwards till small z. 2. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 3. Special characters like exclamation mark, @, $, percentage, exponential, ampersand, asterisk, parenthesis, underscore, plus, slash, double quotes, slash, question mark, greater than, smaller than, colon, semicolon, square brackets, curly brackets, etc. Constants and variables. Constants. The value which is not altered while executing the program is known as constant. There are two kinds of constants. 1. Numeric constants. Any numeric value, a real number or an integer, positive or negative, is known as a numeric constant. For example, 224, plus 12, 0, minus 7.4 are called valid numeric constants. Numeric constants must not incorporate any special character and are used for calculations. 2. Alphanumeric or string constants. A set of characters is known as a string. An alphanumeric or string constant contains a sequence of characters, capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and certain special symbols like percentage, question mark, hash, exponent, ampersand, parenthesis, semicolon, colon, double quotes, single quote, forward slash, backward slash. String constants are used to represent non-numeric quantities such as addresses, names, etc. For example, Raghav in double quote, sum is equal to rupees 84 in double quotes, 192 in double quotes are some valid string constants. It should be enclosed within quotation marks and cannot be used for mathematical calculation. Variables. A variable is a location in memory to which any value can be mentioned. It continues to keep the value until another value is given to it. There are two kinds of variables. 1. Numeric variables. Numeric variable has only numeric values. It is represented by an alphabet or an alphabet followed by another digit or an alphabet. It must not contain any space or symbols such as exponential, question mark, backslash, forward slash, @ semicolon, colon, etc. Underscore can be used rather than space. For example, A, C, A2, slash ABC, A underscore 6, etc. represent numeric variables. 2. Alphanumeric or string variables. A string variable is represented by an alphabet followed by the $sign. It can have letters, digits, underscore symbol, and the last character is always a $sign. For example, A1 $, $, etc. are valid string variables. A string variable can store string constant also. Example, $1 string variable is equal to kips in double quotes string constant. The length of a string variable can be maximum up to 40 characters. The length of a string variable can be maximum up to 40 characters. Facts to learn. BASIC is not a case-sensitive language. It signifies that small a and capital A are same. Operators. There are three kinds of operators in QBASIC. 1. Arithmetic operators. A computer does several calculations and arithmetic operations by using arithmetic operators. The basic arithmetic operators are given below. Operator. Explanation. Example. Result. Plus adds two or more numbers, a plus b, 12. Minus subtracts two or more numbers, a minus b, 4. Asterisk multiplies two or more numbers, a multiplied by b, 32. Slash divides two or more numbers, a divided by b, 2. Exponent calculates exponentiation values. A exponent 3, 512. 2. Relational operators. These are used to compare two values with the help of any of the given relational operators from a relational expression. Equal to. This operator checks the equality between two operands. A is equal to B. False. This operator is used to check the non-equality between two operands. A is not equal to B. True. Greater than. This operator is used to check whether the first value is greater than the second value. A is greater than B. True. Less than. This operator is used to check whether the first value is less than the second value. A is less than B. False. Greater than or equal to. This operator is used to check whether the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. A is greater than or equal to B. True. Less than or equal to. This operator is used to check whether the first value is less than or equal to the second value. A is less than or equal to B. False. 3. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to carry out logical operations on numerical values. Logical operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions and return a single value as true or false in its decision. The common logical operators are and, or, not. Operator explanation. Example, suppose A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10 and C is equal to 15. Result. And. This operator returns true only if both the relational expressions are true. C is greater than A and C is greater than B. True. A is greater than C and B is less than A. False. Or. This operator returns true if at least one of the relational expressions is true. B is greater than A or B is greater than C. True. A is equal to C or B is equal to C. False. Not. This operator is used with single relational expression. It returns true if the relational expression returns false and vice versa. Not A is greater than C. True. Not B is less than C. False. Hierarchy of operations. Hierarchy defines the order in which the operators are carried out in any basic expression. We use BEDMAS for the hierarchy of operation. The full form of BEDMAS is B brackets, E exponentiation, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Example, solve the expression. First, bracket will be solved. Then, exponentiation is performed. Now, division is performed, then multiplication is performed, then addition is performed. Now, subtraction is performed. This is the answer. Example: write a QBASIC program to display the biodata of a student. 10. Rem to display the biodata of a student. 20. Print roll number, 5 in double quotes. 30. Print name, Mohan Singh in double quotes. 40. Print class, 6B in double quotes. 50. End. Summary. The computer is a versatile machine capable of doing various tasks. A computer performs its functions by following a series of predefined commands and instructions. These set of instructions is known as a program. Debugging finds and removes errors in computer programs. Bug signifies errors. In QBASIC, the interpreter executes the program line by line and displays an error message after getting any error and stops the execution. There are several ways to run a program in QBASIC. Print statement is used to print any message or